So this is why you properly store your props and don't just put them in cardboard boxes. I had a prop that was made of cardboard. A while ago, water got in our basement. We didn't find out till recently. And while I was pulling this out, it got all destroyed. It's all wet. I'm gonna put batteries, see if it works, but this is a lost cause. That's gone. Oh. Okay then. This thing is soaked. I pulled it out and water came pouring out of it. Crap. Oh, great. Jemmy adapter got hit hard. It seems dry, but I don't trust plugging it in, and the box got all molded. So, uh-oh. Ripped fog machine bracket. This is probably dead. It had batteries in it, and uh-oh. I like to sit and dry for a good, like, hour. Yeah, it's still. Yeah. Yep, it's damaged. It's fried. I completely dried it.
When it comes to cooking, I'm ahead of the rest.
Yeah, it's bad. You could say yeah, that ain't. Yep, that's not good. And it died again.
I'm really cooking now. Solid, baby. I'm a swinging scat cat. No bones about it. I'm the cat's pajamas. Yowza! The slickster is in the house, cats.
It's dead.
So witchy.